All right, this says twice one number added to another number is 18. 4 times the first number minus the other number is 12. Which system of equations could be used to determine the numbers? So again, a system of equations is a set of 2 or more equations with the same variables. So now, instead of just being given the system and asked to solve, we are given a word problem and we have to write a system of equations that represents the word problem, the scenario. So, twice one number, we're going to represent that as 2x. We're calling our number x and we're doubling it. We're taking twice of it. So 2x. Added, so that means we need a plus sign, to another number. So I'm just going to call that other number y, because if you look down at your answers here, it looks like they used x's and y's. So we probably want to keep our variables consistent. Is, so that means we have an equal sign, 18. So just by reading and analyzing that first sentence, we've written the first equation in our system. 2x, so twice times one number, plus y, plus another number, is 18, equals 18. Alright, 4 times the first number. So my first number was x, so now I have 4x minus, so I'm going to put a subtraction sign. The other number, well that was y, is 12, so that equals 12. So then here we have 4x minus y equals 12. By reading the second sentence, we've written the second equation in our system. Now we just need to decide which system of equations below could be used to determine the numbers. Alright, so 2x plus y equals 18. That needs to be in there. So here, it could be A. It could be B. C is out because they subtracted the y. And then D is also out because y plus 2x, that part is right, but it's supposed to equal 18, not 12. So C and D are out. So now we've narrowed our choices down to A and B. So our second equation needs to be 4x minus y equals 12. Here we go, letter B. That is the correct answer. A is wrong because if you have the 4 outside the parentheses, that would mean 4x minus 4y would equal 12. And that is not what the word problem told us. So here the correct system is letter B.